right, guys, welcome back. And yeah, here's something. It's a Athearn. I don't know if this is a Genesis. I think it's just an Athearn. It is DCC ready. It's a EMD Model 40. I just saw this thing and I had to have it. It's just too. I like switchers, and you can't get much smaller than this for a switcher. All right. I picked this up at my purveyor of trains, Trainland. This is not sponsored. I paid for this out of my own pocket. Great store there, good customer service. They have a lot of stuff at very good prices. All right, so let's take a look at this bad boy. This is the, what they call it, the Primed for Grime edition. It has chipped paint on it, and it's actually chipped. No. All right. It's actually painted on, stamp painted on over the paint. It's all right. What do you want? So this is a DC model. You look in the cab. There's really not much room in there for much of anything. So I have a decoder that I've been bouncing between N scale units while they wait for sound units. I'm seriously thinking of putting sound in this thing. I mean, there's really, let's open this thing up and see. All right, let me get my tray. All right, guys, we got the trusty ESU cradle out again. I'm losing my mind today. Hold on. So, as you guys know, I do N scale as well, and I thought I was going to put this Northeast Coastline electronics decoder in that engine, except that engine is so tight under the hood that this doesn't fit. Matter of fact, none of the next 18 decoders I have fit, so I'm going to have to wait till I have the money to buy a Tsunami decoder, which I could have did if I didn't buy this, but sorry, this thing was too cool. I had to have it. It comes in a lot of different paint schemes. The other one's U.S. Army, which I thought was actually pretty dang cool too. All right, so this just exploded. Pretty sure I got to take all 4 of these screws out to get in here. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does look like that. I'm not. Come along with me. We'll figure this out. Yeah. You kind of had to take that off. I'm not happy about this because I don't want to take the rest of this off. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to get rid of these couple boxes. These are McHenry's. I do not like McHenry's at all. They just tend to give me trouble later on. So we're going to go into my drawer and we're going to pull out oh, you know something? These might not be McHenry's. These might be the plastic Cadies? I don't know. So all right. Very interesting. This thing comes apart in pieces. All right. That's the horn. Oh. We're going to replace that because that looks like crap. All right, that was the horn. 3mm LED front and back. All right. So, basically, pop that off. There's an NCE 18 plug. And pop this in. All right. I usually don't do this, but I've been told that some of these did not get lubed. This one definitely got lubed. All right. So that's basically it. Now we just put it all back together. Ready, assemble. That body down. There it is, back together again. I might not have had to pull the bottom off, but I'd rather have taken a look at that. Alright, so I know. Stop yelling at me. Put these 148s in and call it a day. Alright, so let's get this thing back together again. All right, we got the couplers on. Put this one back in. There it is. We got a decoder install. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get you upstairs and we'll put you on the test track and you can see it run. I will say one thing. You might have just been able to muscle off this housing, this top piece, but I don't know. It'd take much longer to do it, a little bit, but you get to learn a little bit about the equipment. All right, guys, let's go upstairs and we'll run this on the test track. All right, guys, welcome back. And we're upstairs and we got this loaded up on JMRI and let's turn it on. Of course, the headlight comes on for some reason. Automatically, there's the headlight, just regular. It's an LED light that comes with it. This thing's definitely got to get run in. I changed the dirty track. I changed the motor settings on this thing, so there's a little bit of acceleration and deceleration because it was just literally just starting and stopping. You can tell this thing needs this thing needs to get broken in before it's gonna run flawlessly. But it runs pretty quiet. Let me see what I do here. Go 28 step setting. We'll go one unit. Creeping, maybe 2 units creeping along, but you can see the way it runs. It's tight. So we'll see how it goes. Dirty track. This track is filthy. Yeah. So that's basically it, guys. I know there's no decoder in it, so it kind of stinks. No sound in it, so it kind of stinks. But it is DCC and it's going. I think I paid $1.26 for this thing. I know, right? but it's got cool factor. That's all that really matters to me. All right, guys, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. I mean, I love this thing already. My little baby. And I can't wait to get on the club and like running on the main line, towing a boxcar and a little caboose. So, as always, guys, thanks for putting up my shenanigans and my nonsense. And as always, I'll catch you later.